We're just at the beginning of an ice storm here in southwest Michigan. Take a look at the radar. I'm located where the blue dot is, and if you notice, just south of us is a purple area, and that is the heavier rain yet to come. We've just had a light sprinkle up to this point. You can see it freezing on the cement. Let's take a look at the car window here, if I can get over there without falling. Just getting started. Like I said, the worst is yet to come. Let's take a look at the road. Not too slippery yet. A few cars have come down the road. It's 29 degrees. I believe that's about minus 2 degrees Celsius. So it is definitely freeze weather. I'll come back out in an hour and we'll see how things are going. I think you can hear the raindrops on the umbrella. Now let's get down here. And that is ice building up on the driveway. Not too much on the tree yet. See if I can walk out here real carefully. It's slippery. And I think you can see the ice build up here. Let's go check out the road. The road right now is it's icing up. Temperature's 31 degrees, so it's gone up a couple degrees. I think that's like negative 0.5 Celsius. It's about an hour and a half later. The temperature is still 31 degrees. As you can see, it's slushy on the cement. Pretty much the same on the car. We're lucky the temperature is what it is. It keeps things sloppy. If it were to drop, it could be really, really bad. Just a little bit of ice buildup on the tree so far. It is still raining. Temperature is the same, 31 degrees. The road is slushy, but it's not totally frozen. Traffic is moving out on the highway at a pretty good clip. So far, not too bad. We'll come back in an hour and see if there's any changes. Five hours later, not too much ice buildup on the trees. So the roads are pretty clear. And the tree is absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully my camera here will pick it up. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening now. The roads are clear. It did not get as cold as expected. In fact, it's supposed to warm up the next few days. We're looking southwest. Usually we have a sunset right there behind our Japanese maple. We'll come out again later when the lights are reflecting. See what it looks like then.